Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am so bad. I forgot to create an intro for this video, but today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this nice glam Thanksgiving look. So if you want to see this look, then just keep watching, and also please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and also please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let's get into this Thanksgiving makeup look. So I'm going to start out with this KAB Cosmetics Day plus Night eyeshadow palette. I was really inspired to use this, and I'm going to start out with the shade Burnt Orange, and that's going to serve as my transition shade. Now I'm taking the shade Dawn and applying that more so in my crease area just to deepen up that color. Now I'm going to take Terracotta to deepen up that red to really make it darker. I really wanted to add this brown cocoa to my outer V area just to add some more depth to the look. So I just took that and then I'm just adding it only to my outer V. I'm not dragging it in my crease or anything. It's strictly staying on the outer V area. I'm just taking a clean brush to just blend everything out. I think that just helps diffuse the eyeshadow. It just helps to blend it out. I'm going to add this shade Stella. The reason why I really wanted to add it is because my dog's name is Stella. But this shade is really beautiful too. So I wanted something more intense on my lids, so I took the shade Luna and I put that on top of the shade Stella just to make it a little bit more gold and more intense. That's it for my eyes at the moment. So I'm just taking this Rare Beauty primer to prime my skin, and I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 356. I'm taking the Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer in the shade 44Y. I'm just going to use that using my under eyes and just to highlight those areas of my face. To set down, I'm taking the One Size translucent powder. This is the best translucent powder that I've ever tried. I love this stuff so much. As the translucent powder is working its magic on my under eye area, I'm bronzing up my skin with the Benefit Hoola Toasted bronzer. With my sponge, I'm just going to blend in that setting powder and sweep away any excess powder. Using the Tilbury Airbrush Flawless setting powder, I'm just going to set the rest of my face. I love this powder so much. It's so beautiful and it just makes my face look so airbrushed. Now I'm going in with the Juvias Place Blushed palette in volume 4, and I'm only taking that top pink shade to add some blush to my cheeks. I'm just taking the Terracotta shade and smudging that on my lower lash line, and I'm also going to smudge Cocoa on my lower lash line. I'm just applying some mascara and some Ardell lashes. I have mine in natural. I got this pack actually at TJ Maxx, and it's a really good pack. It's 6 pairs of lashes. And I'm taking the House Laboratory eyeliner and I'm just going to make a wing. And to set my face, I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I love this stuff. Now for the lips, I'm taking the Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in Mesquite. And I'm actually going to fill in my whole entire lip with this lip liner. I feel like the color was a little too dark with the eyes, so I took the Dose of Colors and Shayla collab in the liquid lipstick in the shade Final Touch, and I just took a little lip brush and I just applied some of this to the center of my lips just to lighten up that lip liner color, and I really like the combination it made. And that is it for this Thanksgiving glam makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and also please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.